Good afternoon. This is Facebook Live. Dr. Asim Maiti from New Alipur, Kolkata. Just I'd like to highlight and warn about the COVID situations and about the third wave, which are knocking at the door. At this crucial juncture, actually, Indian government and the state government as well are in dilemma what to do and what not to do. But there shouldn't be any dilemma. I think the vaccinations record or data collections, everything is not needed at this crucial juncture. Our target is to just, by the Lancet suggestions, at least by September, 30 to 40% of our nation people should be vaccinated, at least first dose of any sort of COVID vaccines, just past the third trial or the fourth trial. So the emerging vaccines are the two made in India vaccine, that is Covishield and Covaxin, and the third vaccine that is already has been launched in Hyderabad and Calcutta as well, that is Sputnik V, and also the other vaccines, the Pfizer, they are coming in the month of July. They will just cater the vaccine or deliver the vaccines in the particular center having the cold chain, as you know. But they have already trial that minus 70 degrees centigrade preservation is not needed. Just it can be preserved in the Indian climate at 4 to 8 degrees centigrade for 1 month. So, and along with the American President, Vice President Kamala Harris also promised to supply the Marino Favino vaccine, Johnson & Johnson, etc. So, and Covishield and Covaxin, that is Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute, respectively, they are also promised to supply few crores of vaccines by the month of July. So by dispensing all the vaccines to the government, non-government and the special that is private sectors, guided by the doctors, sisters and the health personnel, this should be vaccine. This vaccine should be given to all. Means the trial has been given from 18 to 45 already in India, but 12 to 18 years of age also on trial, and the emerging third wave. So just I'm clearing the what is third wave or second wave or first wave. This third wave is nothing but the some third generation of the COVID-19 virus. Nothing the third explosions of the virus, but third wave means the pretty newly strains of virus which are knocking at the door in different parts of Asian countries. Especially it has seen in UK and also some parts of USA and also Singapore. This third strain has already reported in some part of Uttaranchal and some part of northeast India also, and expected to reach by Kolkata or West Bengal also in the month of June or last week of June or July. So don't worry, just go for the vaccines without any hesitations, at least first dose. So I am asking the central government and the state government, don't go into controversy, don't go into just your political struggling or political just conflicts and contradictions just going on. This is very unexpected in the civilized country like India, the 21st century, just after 73 years of independence. Just we are not as poor as such, Indian people, I think, as not as poor such to afford a single dose of vaccines that should be given by the central government or the state government in free. Otherwise, just some precise price or some rationalized price should be fixed in order to vaccinate the Indian people from 18 to 45, 45 to 60, 45 to 60 and 60 years more. And a lot of patients waiting for the second dose also. So just 18 to 45 vaccinate all according to Indian government promise. They are supposed to dispense the vaccine in free, but forget about the free, with the rational price. Please you just vaccinate all, because the third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, sixth wave, every wave will be coming in, and the third wave is expected to stay according to Lancet by as much as 98 days, which is pretty high. So as you know, the second wave have already taken valuable lives of Indian people already. So just to protect our lung, vaccinate by at least a single dose by month of September, at least 40% of Indian population. So unfortunately, only 4.5 to 5.5 crores has been vaccinated till January, which is very unfortunate. And actually, just being a doctor of COVID line, first line COVID warriors, I am just fervently requesting and kneeling down to the Indian government and the state government, don't go into quarrelsome and don't go into controversy. Please vaccinate all, irrespective of age, above 18s, and 12 to 18 trials are going on, and they expect the result will be coming in the month of July, and after that getting their children will be also vaccinated, and 2 to 12 years, that is on trial in USA, UK, etc. Later on we'll vaccinate. So my suggestion is to vaccinate all above 2 years after safetiness is being proved, because we are afraid of our beloved children. So wishing you a long prosperous life, good life, and I think lockdown further will just smash the Indian, just after 2 episodes of lockdown, that is 28 days, the total new cases and the old cases has, the mortality, morbidity, everything has reduced to a considerable extent. So enough is enough. 28 days lockdown is enough for this part of the world. So our gradual relaxation should be done, and all the preventive measures like mask is must. Personal sanitation, forget about that, but just mask is must. 5-layer mask you use, and work with caution. This is my message for the nation.